Holy cow. By the way, the dark clouds are actually starting to disappear. This has been definitely a really, really strange storm. Like, it hasn't even rained or anything. It's just been mainly dark clouds, wind, and a bit of flying dust. This has been a really weird storm. One of the weirdest storms I've ever seen here. And another weird part is it just kind of slows down. And then it catches back up again. I'll go ahead and go outside. Just temporarily. Maybe you guys will be able to hear some stronger winds out there. I've been hearing a lot of wind in the house too mainly earlier. Woo! This is weird. .60-mile-an-hour wind. Oh, wait. I felt some raindrops. I guess it is actually starting to rain, guys. Interesting. Now it's starting to rain, too. Lightly. Whew. Some of the strongest wind I've seen in a long time. A really long time. Sure are starting off this season with a wild storm. A weird storm too. Pretty unusual one. One we usually don't see much. I don't even remember the last time I've seen a storm like this. The raindrops are like super light. But I actually did feel some. Like a few on my forehead. A few of them fell down on my forehead, actually. Leaves flying in every direction. It's crazy. I'll film a couple more, and then I'll end this. If you guys don't know, I pretty rarely get kind of chilly. I kind of am right now. That's how windy and kind of chilly it is out here right now. Yeah, it kind of just slows down and then comes back. It's weird. Starting off the spring/summer season with a pretty wild storm. Wow. One I sure didn't see coming. I sure didn't expect this kind of weather today. Come on, do a few more. It's taking a little time to catch back up. Sorry for that, folks. You might be able to hear the wind. I'm not sure if you can. Unfortunately, the audio on this phone is damaged. So I'm not sure if you could hear it fully. But I'm sure, man, if this was a regular phone, you'd be hearing wind. Like, you guys would be hearing wind sound a lot. I mean, a lot. There we go. There's some. Leaves flying everywhere. Oh my God. Feels like 35 degrees out here. Feels pretty chilly outside. Ooh. There we go. Show me what you got, Mother Nature. Show me what you got. Bring it. The wind's kind of getting a little lame right now. I'm sure I'll probably pick up again later tonight. But yeah, you guys have seen some of it. It was actually even worse than this earlier. It's kind of calmed down a tiny bit, but it still really is blowing a lot. It was even worse than this earlier, if you can believe it. We could actually hear full wind noise in the house when I first got home. For the first like 10 minutes. Off and on. Now, not so much. It's kind of not making as much noise in the house. Anyways, yeah, guys, I'm getting a little on the chilly side. Oh, wait, hold on. Gotta get that first. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video in a minute. It's getting pretty chilly out here. Wow, this part's actually longer than the first part. This one's 10 minutes. Look on the clouds. Still some dark clouds back there. But yeah, the dark clouds are actually very, very slowly starting to clear up just a tiny bit. Like, there's actually a little bit of visible blue sky, actually, on the opposite side of the house where I was filming the first minute. But yeah, even right now wasn't as bad as it was earlier when I first got home. Oh, here we go. Alright, well, got a little more. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna go for now, guys. If you guys stick around, thank you for doing so. I greatly appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I am Tyler Trizard 2 is back, your host. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Yeah, anyways, yeah. One final thing is, yeah, that's some weird weather going on. For my area, at least. We usually don't get this kind of weather. Anyway, see you later.